this is what I'll show you guys. I got 3 yards of looks like 10 gauge speaker wire. It's been a long time since I've seen the gauges of wires. It's not that thick though. Yeah, about 8 gauge. No, 10 gauge. 10 gauge speaker wire. It's actually decent for what I need it for. It's really pretty though. I mean, the dials feel really good. They have tension on them. They actually click. It's nice. This one's a power on, power off. It's quite smooth. It's really smooth. Here's the back. 2, 3, 4. 2 in, 1 for the sub out. It's not bad. So these are the drivers that I ended up getting. There's 2 3.5 inch drivers, a tweeter, and a tiny little crossover in the back. It's all built in. It should accept. They say it's 8 ohms. I want to bridge them and see what happens. I'm joking. Alright, so with this, took it off. We're going to be using this again. I'm actually going to take this cloth off because I think it looks horrible, to be honest. And we're going to make our own, but we're going to use this frame. Now I'm going to take out the drivers, take out the tweeter, and remove the port and these little mounting spots, and remove that. And yeah, we should have a nice clean set over here. And I'm gonna sand this down, prime it, paint it red, and make a new speaker grill, basically. Yep, should be fun.
NASA got that heat. 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 NASA got that heat.
I actually have to go to the audio shop to go grab some adapters for all this stuff because I do not want to solder today, so it should be fun. Yeah, so right now I'm going to the paint store, and hopefully I can find some spray adhesive there too. That's really what I need. So hopefully I can find some. Found it. Okay, so I'm gonna go buy some red paint. I kind of want matte red. Matte red. Yeah, matte red. I think they have some in here. Yeah, they have some right here. Everything is within 3 blocks from each other, so it's great. Yeah. Boom. Red paint. Oh yeah. Yeah, this stuff should be pretty good. Alright, got some paint, got some adhesive. Now I need to go get some speaker wire to rewire this. Got some sandpaper already, so things are looking good. I think I got everything in less than 5 minutes. This okay.
呢個
Yes, please. 2 meters.
2 meter 1 meter 230米啊
Okay.
OK
Yes. Here.
OK thank you let's see
Alright, so this step, get the 100 grit, front, side, we're leaving the top okay, bottom okay, and the back okay. And yeah, we're gonna get to it. So how they had this was they have one lead coming off the positive with a base blocker, and they have another lead going straight to the positive side of the actual driver itself. But they actually wired them wrong. They had the polarity on one side pulling while the other one was pushing. So it's basically blocking out its own noise. It's kinda ridiculous, but yeah, we're gonna fix that right now. I gotta cut some of this stuff off and fix it. Yeah, should be good. Got it all nice and colored. It's close enough to being dry. I'm going to actually get the port. Put the port in first. Port is in. Nice.